never worry about what other people are thinking about you. You know, just if you know why you're doing what you're doing, that's good enough. When I want to do something, I always want to do it big. I've said many times that 65 or 70, and the people that you want to have love you actually do love you, you're a success. Some people should not own stocks at all because they just get too upset with price fluctuations. If you're going to do dumb things because a stock goes down, you shouldn't own a stock at all. The first books I read on investment were actually in my dad's office. I just read and read and read. I probably read 5 to 6 hours a day. I mean, I figured out very early, you don't have to be that smart at this business, which is fortunate, but you do have to have the right temperament. The best gift I was ever given was to have the father that I had when I was born.
Most people have a lot of debt and very little savings, but the goal should be the opposite. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors, attributes his success to frugality. Wealth possesses a certain momentum. While it's challenging to initiate, developing the proper habits and spending less than you earn will allow your money to grow over time. Pennies saved become dimes, and dimes become dollars. As it grows, your money will start to work for you instead of you working so hard for money. This video will expose 20 simple and easy saving tips that can help you get started in 2024. Number 1. Spend less than you earn. Spending less than you earn refers to living below your means. It involves steering clear of unnecessary expenses and embracing a simple lifestyle. This is crucial for boosting your savings and alleviating financial stress. Warren Buffett prioritizes a high quality of life over excessive consumerism. Throughout his life, he has found contentment with his standard of living. Buffett's preference for simplicity is evident in his modest tastes. He doesn't want to acquire extravagant mansions, yachts, or sports cars. He values a life free from the burden of managing numerous possessions. Our next tip will end up paying you forever. As Buffett has said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Number 2, invest in yourself. Investing in self-improvement, be it through education, certification, skill acquisition, or health maintenance, has the potential to yield long-term benefits. But you're going to get one body and one mind, and that's all you're going to get. And that body and mind feels terrific now, but it has to last you a lifetime. Continuously enhancing your value can lead to personal and professional growth, opening doors to new opportunities and improving overall well-being. At the end of the day, you would be saving or making more money with these improvements. Number 3, be conscious of the value of money. Understanding the actual value of money extends beyond the price tag. It involves recognizing the effort invested in earning that money and comprehending the value of what it can purchase. If you understand wealth, you look at it differently. You pay dearly for the money earned as direct income. Between federal, state, local Social Security, and local sales tax, about half your income is gone before you can do anything with it. So, you might keep 60 cents or less for every dollar you earn at work. So, a dollar saved is worth nearly $2 earned. If you start to figure out how many hours you have to work to earn a $100 after taxes, you'll view your cable bill differently. Number 4, avoid losing money. Consistently growing your wealth involves preserving capital and drastically reducing your involvement in any risky investments. Ensure you understand the potential losses associated with a business before making investment decisions and avoid jeopardizing your money through reckless spending or impulsive investments. Our next tip has been a trap for hardworking individuals. No matter how good your intentions might be, it is always better to avoid debt. Number 5, stay away from debt. Owing money can weigh you down and restrict your money freedom. It's smarter to live a debt-free life. If you have been owing before now, it is better to focus on settling your debts. Sailing the debt-free ship is the way to go. It simplifies managing your money. Number 6, save before you spend. Making saving a priority ensures a steady growth in your wealth. It's a strategy to avoid overspending and stick to your budget. Place yourself at the forefront of your payment list. Pay yourself first. After all, who are you working for if? To achieve this, you need to discipline yourself. You can have a separate bank account for this purpose.
Going to be paying 18 or 20%. And you can't make progress in your financial life going around borrowing money at 18 or 20%. You can make a lot of money by lending it out at 18 or 20% over time. If you can find anybody that's good that will borrow from you. But you don't want to be on the side of the equation that's always behind in life.
Number 7. Avoid credit card debt. Credit card debt typically carries high interest rates, making it an expensive form of borrowing. Although it might seem enticing, this kind of debt only favors the company. A card company usually charges 3.5% GST on missed payments. That is 42% GST annually. The possibility of you earning that kind of return on any investment or job or business or anything is extremely low. So it's very bad. By avoiding credit card debt, you will be saving significant money in the long run. Number 8. Do not exceed your budget. Your budget serves as the roadmap to apply Buffett's personal finance principles. A carefully crafted budget enhances your ability to handle income and expenses efficiently. It guides your spending decisions, prevents overspending, and promotes savings. Number 9. Prioritize quality items. Always seek value in your purchases. Buffett will never put his money in a company if he is not sure of its value. You can take a cue from him. Investing in quality items may cost more initially, but pays off in the long run as they tend to last longer. Opt for one quality item over repeatedly replacing a poor quality one for better value. Number 10. Following trends can be wasteful. Chasing trends often results in wasteful spending, significantly when those trends fade quickly. Opting for classic items that endure over time offers better value for your money. Buffett, known for wearing timeless shoes and driving simple cars throughout his life, focuses on substance over flashy displays to impress others. Number 11. Give your frugal spending time. Living frugally is a journey that takes time. By patiently letting your savings and investments grow, you can enjoy more significant rewards if you consistently make wise financial choices. At the beginning, you might be tempted to think that there are no changes, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Number 12. Monitor your savings closely. Considering your savings as a vital expense ensures that a part of your income is consistently reserved for future needs, emergencies, or investment chances. Prioritize saving before spending to build a secure financial foundation. Number 13. Prioritize value over price. Choosing something just because it's inexpensive doesn't guarantee good value. Emphasizing value over price ensures you get the most bang for your buck. This principle holds whether you're shopping for clothes or considering stock investments. Number 14. Do not purchase unnecessary items. Spending less on things you don't need can strain your finances. It's crucial to distinguish between needs and wants to keep your finances healthy. If you spend on unnecessary items, you'll have no money to save or invest. In extreme cases, overspending and lack of impulse control could lead to losing your home or impounding your car. Number 15. Price is different from value. Recognizing the distinction between price and value helps avoid making unwise financial choices. It's not solely about the amount spent. Instead, it's about the quality or utility of your purchase. Number 16. Save a percentage of each paycheck. Ensure you transform your hard-earned money into savings and investments. It is good to be frugal, but it is even more crucial to invest it. Consistently saving a portion of your income can gradually build a significant nest egg over time. It's a reliable method to ensure you're setting money aside for the future. Number 17. Invest in things you understand. Opting for investments you understand empowers you to make informed decisions, minimizing the risk of losses. Familiarity with the intricacies of an investment increases the likelihood of making wise choices. Learning to invest for yourself allows you to be frugal, save money, and avoid hefty money management fees. Number 18. Don't take unnecessary financial risks. Avoiding unnecessary financial risks is crucial to prevent significant losses. Understand the implications of your financial decisions to steer clear of potentially disastrous outcomes. Taking on large mortgages and car payments that stretch your affordability raises the risk of losing them if your income drops. Remember, it's not frugal to undertake substantial financial risks. Number 19. You are not in competition with anybody. Buffett avoided trying to match Jeff Bezos' lifestyle with extravagant purchases like super yachts or Beverly Hills mansions. Engaging in a competition for material possessions can lead to imprudent spending. Concentrate on your financial goals and needs instead of comparing yourself to others. Stay true to yourself and your desires. Number 20. Reduce dining out. Dining out often can strain your budget significantly. Opting to prepare meals at home is more economical and grants you control over the quality and quantity of your food. Interestingly, affordable choices like McDonald's and Dairy Queen remain favorites even for a billionaire like Buffett, emphasizing the value of cost-effective options. These actionable steps will help you to save more, invest wisely, and build a prosperous future. So do not delay, ensure you start today. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the following video.